play with my cat. Cat, please, K-A-T. Cat, Katie, no, cat. Catch that. Yo, she actually plays with it. Wait, let me get it again. There's Elproof. This is the ball.
No.
It's a bead. It's a magical bead. And I'm gonna play with my cat. She's stretching now. She's playing. Slowly coming. Oh, and stop in the middle. Let's try again. She played with it. That's not food. Okay. Good. Can you push it back? Click. Let it in. No, that's not food. No, that's not food. No, that's not food. That's not food. This is not food. You know? Tried to eat it. I thought that was a good idea. I just ate it. Okay, you spot on her while I clean this mess up. Why did I thought that was a good idea? She thought it was food. I'm cleaning this table up. And all I have to do is just put it somewhere else. Cat will never come. I thought that was a good idea. For those who saw it, I beg you, don't force her. She thinks it's a fool, like, bro. Just stir it. Yeah, it's gone now. Oh, there it is. Right there. Those who see it, right there. Let me just see it. It's inside my circle, okay? Look at this. You see this? You see that? Okay. Simple to petting our kitty cat. Goozoo. Oh, there's spiders. Oh, see her ear. Let's see her ear. Oh, she hears me. What about my catties? You're so cute. Well, stop. I don't think it's done. Okay. I got it. God, that's so fantastic. Wait, let me just... You can see your pet right there, cutie, in the sunlight. Can't you wake up? Sorry for distracting you. I know. Look, this little cat. You're so cute and fantastic. I love petting you. Wait, Wait, how many minutes already? Oh, 30 minutes? Wait, what? In the skibby? Let's see. Oh, 40 minutes, that's good. Here's your kitty cat. Here's your kitty cat. She loves it. Here's your kitty cat. I managed to pat her a lot of times. Now it's 40 minutes. I've been patting her for like 40 minutes. Oh, sorry. Look at her. Wake up, you can't sleep now, we're still posting a video. I love you so much. simpati. I'm not so bad with simpati. Look at me go. So wait. Little video, okay? Here, look at this. Cat memes. Oh, he makes cat memes. Well, since I was joking, I'm making it for real. I mean, just, please don't leave. Okay, NTM, just leave. Bye.